So today I'm about to show you how to add a help desk AI with N8N. First, drag a webhook node onto your canvas to act as your entry point. Copy that generated production URL and paste it directly into your help desk platform, like Zendesk or Freshdesk. Under their webhooks and trigger settings, set the help desk app to automatically forward the ticket ID to N8N whenever a new ticket is submitted. Next, connect your webhook trigger to a native Zendesk or Freshdesk action node. Configure the operation to get ticket details, using the incoming ID token to instantly fetch the customer's full question and profile metadata. Finally, route the data array straight into a advanced AI agent node, backed by the OpenAI model. Attach a vector store node holding your internal company documentation and link the agent's output to another help desk node and set to create ticket node to instantly drop a source-backed answer directly into the support agent's dashboard on autopilot. And that's it. That's how to add a help desk AI with N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.